What's up, everybody? It's Earl coming to you from MGM Classic Cars.com, Addison, Illinois. Check out this treat. Double black Challenger RT. Beautiful two-owner car. It's been transplanted with a 446 pack. That's right, 446 pack. 4-speed manual transmission with the pistol grip. Can't ask for any more than that. MSD, power brakes, power steering. That's what I call fun. Great driving, great handling car. Pretty much all original panels all the way around. Your chrome on the front is in good shape. All your lights are working the way they should. It's got the hood pins, the snorkels. Step off a little bit so you see how beautiful that is. Body is straight. Couple little tiny flaws here and there, but everything is on the body just clean all the way throughout. All your belts, hoses are in good shape, and wires underneath the hood. 446 pack. All your glass, chrome around there, around the whole entire car is good with no stories there. Original wheels there. It gaps out great to the fender, to the door, quarter to the door. Great stance, a lot of performance, handles good. Just got done driving it. Beast. Come on now. Challenger RT. So straight all the way through. Do a nice little, another buff, so wiped it with a dirty rag. It looks like tiny little chips here, but being black, you could touch it up. But like I said, it's a two-owner car. Gaps out good there, original panels, same as here, sport mirror. Great stance on it. All your seat belts are intact on the rear. Pretty much original interior. 6x9s in the rear. A nice tight headliner all the way throughout, and your seats are in good shape. Door panels, great shape as well. Look how clean this is. Same on the other side. All the way through every crevice here. It's a beautiful, beautiful car. 15,677 miles on the odometer. That's cold start. A little upgraded. Nice. Nice, great sound to it. It's Mopar for you. This needs to come home to somebody ASAP. Right there. All your lights are working. Turn signals are all working correctly. Let me give it a little gas, everybody. All your gauges are working as well. Just the real deal here. I like it. Yeah. Just a beautiful body, iconic for what it is. It's located in our showroom in Addison, Illinois, just 15 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport, with our other 260 cars in our warehouse. Everything is online at our website at mgmclassiccars.com. All our photos, videos, description, and pricings on there. We are open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturday from 10 to 2, all by appointment only. We have special financing available with good credit up to 180 months, as well as shipping all over the United States, enclosed and open, bonded and insured to your front door. If you have any questions on quotes on shipping or on this particular 1970 Challenger RT 440, you can give me a call, or any of our cars. Just give me a shout at 773-600-0919. Again, my name is Earl. That's 773-600-0919. Like us on Facebook. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are full. Got a lot of stuff ready to get home to people's garages. Spring is right around the corner. Give us a shout. You got the number. You got the place. Thanks for spending time on this 70 Challenger RT 440 4-speed. Have a nice day.